Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel NTS. So friends, if you want to cancel membership, you should be contact Chat with Nicole, our virtual asset, available 24 hours and 7 days. Just click Chat with Nicole, and then guys, for the message, click membership fee payment, and then from here guys, choose I have other question. For example, I write your question here guys. For example, I want to cancel membership. Then guys, just click this message, for example, cancel membership. And then look me check with card you're referring to. Add the check your ref, click here to check your card, guys. And then click agree. And then please type last four characters, example for your NRC, this one, write this codes example. And then you will directly, and then you will guide you to cancel your subscription. Just guys, like write this code number for your last four characters of your NRIC. This is all you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content.